Hi people, welcome back. So today I'm gonna clean my chain again, and there's the brush I have. This is the cloth. Sorry, not. This is the chain lube. This is the cloth to clean my chain, and this is diesel. I don't use the Royal Enfield chain cleaner because that costs around 200 rupees, and it's the same, around 200 ml, which is not justifying its price, and that's too heavy on my pocket. This diesel costs around 100 rupees per liter, and within 1 liter you can clean your chain around like 7 to 8 times. So that's something which saves a lot of money. Now my chain is like pretty dry, as you can see, nothing on the chain, but still I'm going to clean it. And yeah, this is the cloth which I'm going to use to clean my hand. This is the sanitized cloth. So there's a wet wipe actually. Now I'm going to clean my hands after I finish the cleaning of my chain, so that I don't have any stains on my hand. And there's a package here. I'll let you know what exactly is there in it. This is the bike. I have purchased this when I went to Kedarnath and Badrinath trip. Let me turn it on, and as you can see, my odometer reads 11,900 kilometers. Actually 11,009, not 1 kilometers. And I'm going to also reset my odometer, a trip meter, where I can update it at what time I have cleaned the chain. And let me make it 0 right now. Sorry, here it is. Yeah, trip A I'm going to put it as 0. I'm going to reset actually. Yeah. As you can see, trip A has been reset, and the time is 3:28. It says 3:57, but again that's incorrect because I haven't connected my Bluetooth since a long time. That's the reason it says 3:28. Sorry, 3:58, but the real time is 3:28. 31 degrees. Normal temperature, trip A 0. I have good amount of fuel in the bike. It gives me the gear position, that's neutral, and RPM and odometer, as you can know, right? There's a speedometer actually, and here are the telltale lights, indicators, neutral switch, engine malfunction, battery indicator, and this is the high beam and low beam. Let me try to turn it on. No, it only turns on when light is the bike is on. ABS obviously. And yeah, let me start cleaning my chain. Chain cleaning part is done. As you can see, the chain is like pretty much clean. I don't have any stains, and I need to lube it now. It's getting a bit difficult to lube the chain or clean the chain and record it at the same time, because I have also forgot my tripod. So I'll try my best. If not, I'll add some previous clip which I have recorded and let you know. Yeah. So done with chain lube. As you can see, the chain is like pretty much lubed now. Let me show it to you. So yeah, done pretty much now. Yeah, that's the chain lube video. Thanks for watching. And if you are worried about this particular envelope, it's nothing but a face mask. Thanks.